Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now. Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now. In this video, I will discuss 5 secrets to have success with Google AdSense. Please stay tuned and watch all of this. As you use Google AdSense, as time goes on, you will begin to learn from the mistakes of the past. You will then slowly begin to realize which of your actions kept your site from reaching its full potential. Why not fix them now? So stay with me and don't skip ahead in this video. But an important part to making a mistake is telling people about it and teaching them how to avoid making the same mistakes. So this is a list of the top 5 mistakes people who are using AdSense make. Yes, it's time to fess up to those mistakes so to avoid them in the future. Aha! Reverse psychology at its very finest. You should read them well, inwardly digest, and understand and see if any of them is applicable to your contents. If it is, you must stop and attempt to fix such errors as quickly as possible. The first major no-no that everyone seems to be doing at one point has to do with breaking the rules. Don't break the rules. Google's AdSense is a great program, but it relies on you respecting a few set rules. The most important thing is not to create artificial clicks through any means possible. Never click your own links. Never click on your own links. Never ask your friends to do the same. In addition, never have your content encouraging the visitors to click the links. Even though I've seen some websites do that, you shouldn't do that because you run the risk of being permanently banned, and that will definitely damage your revenue. This would also include using bots to create fake traffic as well, and is probably one of the worst to use, so don't use the bots. Failing to comply with Google's terms could have your Adsense account suspended. Oh no, what are we gonna do? And this is why this rule is, by all means, the most important one of all. It's because this is the difference between life or death of making any money from Adsense. You don't want to end up like that guy. The second thing users get wrong a lot of time is having a bad color palette for the ads. Many times this happens because the publishers aren't knowledgeable enough to change the default color palettes. Having colors that are too loud or look like someone puked on the monitor, well, yeah. It's repulsive. Ugh. Yeah. Well, yeah, I shouldn't do that. So make sure you fix that. Smile. Others just can't seem to spend enough time in changing those defaults. Having bad ads that stand out is sure to push people away from clicking, whilst having something which is clearly visible. Yet, you don't want people to get repulsed. Now hold on for a second and don't turn off this video. If you want to make money online with AdSense, including being a member of the YouTube partnership, then listen up. This is important stuff here. The YouTube partnership program uses AdSense and the same rules apply. This could have serious consequences if you don't comply to the rules. I literally just had a channel owner who I don't know spam his YouTube link to me via a text, complete with a timestamp to the ad. Don't do that either. Do not spam people your content. If YouTube finds out, your account could be shut down and you could be banned for life on the platform. That's how serious they're taking it. Third, of course, the position of the ads is probably the key element you should get right if you want to maximize your profits with AdSense. This is noted in a lot of places on the web, and Google talks about this as well. So should we. Google can provide you with statistics which can illustrate what positions work particularly well on your website, or places that don't. Fourthly, banner ads are also a very bad idea if you're using AdSense. 480 by 60 type ads are a sure way to drive many people away, as most internet surfers have developed a natural resistance to such means of advertising. And last but clearly not least is not take care of the site running the ads. Because ultimately, it doesn't matter how cool the site is itself. If it doesn't have updated content and a lot of daily visitors, it will probably never earn you any serious AdSense revenues. So these are the most important 5 things people get wrong while using the AdSense program. Again, they are: never break Google's policy. Don't make visitors create artificial clicks on your website regardless of the person doing so or the reason. Make sure your ads have the right colors that blend in with your site. make sure they're positioned in the right places to attract as many customers as possible. Always try to avoid using banner-like ads unless you can constantly keep your site up to date. And notice the mistake there, it should be ADS. So you have to keep that in mind. You always need to check your information. But I got a free bonus, so here we go. Yippee! Who loves free bonuses, right? Hooray! I love free bonuses. Bonuses are awesome. So secret and stealthy is this bonus, and most people miss it. Use keywords and tags in your website that's relevant to the content. But remember to use keywords that are getting traffic but isn't highly competitive, and you can use the Google keyword tool. All right, and that's on the Adsense area. So have your site optimized for the search engines. For the search engines. This may come at a cost, but it's worth it. It's worth it to get that organic traffic to your website. So that's it for today's tutorial, and hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button. Yeah. Share this video and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.